Let's solve this question. What mass of sodium chloride is needed to prepare 250 ml of a 0.50 molar solution? And they gave us these options. Now, the first thing we're going to do is identify the formulas we need. Since they gave us 0.50 molar, which is molarity, we need the molarity equation that will give us an idea of what we are solving for. So molarity, big letter M, is simply moles per liter, where the mole is represented as N, the moles of the solute. And the L is, of course, the volume, V. So we have the molarity given to us as 0.50, and the volume is given to us as 250 ml. So we're going to convert that volume to liters. To do that, you simply divide this by 1,000. So that would be 250 ml times 1 liter in 1,000 ml. So the mLs we cancel. So 250 divided by 1,000 gives us 0.250 liters. So now we have the V. Okay? We have M and we have V. What we don't have is N. And in order to solve for mass, we need N. Mass is equal to N times molar mass. So we're going to solve for N. Since molarity is equal to N over V, to solve for N, you simply cross multiply. So N is equal to molarity times volume. The molarity is 0.50 moles per liter. Remember, that's the same thing. Then times the volume we just converted, 0.250 liters. The liters we cancel, 0.5 times 0.25 gives us a 0.125 mole. Now we have the mole, we can go ahead and solve for the mass. But in order to solve for the mass, we also need the molar mass of sodium chloride, which is the solute in this solution. So Na is 22.99, Cl is 35.45. Then we add them up. 22.99 plus 35.45 gives 58.44 grams per mole. So we have our molar mass. So mass will then be the moles that we just calculated, 0.125 mole, times the molar mass, 58.44 grams per mole. The moles we cancel, and we have 7.305 grams, which is approximately 7.31 grams. And that means that the final answer is B. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos.